Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to install Glyph light sticker, colorful sticker, because in your nothing phone most of the color are white, but fortunately you can able to change the color combinations of your Glyph light. So let's see how I will install it. So these type of sticker are available for all the models of nothing phone, including 3A and 3A Pro also. So however, I will install this type of sticker in my nothing phone, and you can purchase it from Gadget Shield. So let's see what they have provided. For Glyph light, they have provided the following combination. So you can use red, green, blue, or totally red or totally green, but I have purchased the combination of three color so that it will look beautiful. So first of all, you have to clean the top surface of the glass. After that you have to install it with patience. So before installation it looks white, and after installation it's just a magic. You can see friend, it is looking amazing. So you can install this type of Glyph light color skin in your nothing phone, and it really look amazing. You can see here friend, and with transparent cover it just, you can see friend, it is just looking awesome. So let's play some music, and with the music it also look amazing. So this type of skin is not very costly, and you can purchase this type of Glyph light skin from Gadget Shield, as I have already stated earlier. So friend, you can see friend, it is looking amazing. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations.